with me. You looking? I taste good, but I just had to redirect my cooking.
Hello there, gorgeous. So we're getting right into it with this hair video. So today I wanted to do a half up, half down style. Honestly, I've been seeing this all over TikTok and I was just feeling for a change, so I decided to do that today. I started by putting some moisturizer in my hair and I'm combing it out. I got a pixie cut recently, and honestly, let me just give you this tip. If you love change, or if you can't commit, do not get yourself a pixie because you're gonna regret it, and I'm regretting mine. So my hair is permed, but it acts like it's natural. So right now I have to be pressing the hair, and I want it to have the full length that it can, get the full potential. So first I use a small flat iron, and I know I'm using a bigger one for the longer parts of my hair. I'm just getting that pressed out so it can be easier to manage when I actually want to go into the ponytail part, or even just to add the extensions. I want it to be super straight and not dry and coarse. All products used will be in the description box below, and now's a good time to subscribe, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to. So now I am parting my hair. Honestly, I'm not so good at the parting. If I had a mirror behind me, it would be much easier, but because I didn't, I have my sister who is parting the back of my head for me, and she's also going to help me to apply the extensions in the back as well. So I've done this before by myself, but honestly, I glued the hair on my actual hair and I didn't want that to happen, so I just allowed her to glue the extensions in the back for me. You can do this on a wig cap if you wanna. I watch a lot of girls do this video and they use the quick weave method. So you can use a wig cap, or you can also corner the back of your hair and get the extensions sewed in to make it, just so you don't have to use any glue, and it will last a lot longer. So I'm just pinning back my hair right now, and I'm gonna part the hair how I want it. So the vision I had for this style is this picture right here. Let me tell you, girl, I didn't get nowhere close to that picture. Honestly, I applaud hairdressers because I can't do it. So right now I'm just parting the front because we are gonna add some bangs, and the part is a bit kind of like asymmetrical. So 3 parts. It's called a 3-part ponytail. 3-part half up, half down. So that's what it's called. So I sectioned my hair, and I'm gonna use some pump it up spritz to hold my hair, because of course my hair is super short, so I need all the security I can get. And I'm just sectioning it out and then combing the spritz through my hair just to see if I can get it as flat as possible. It still wasn't perfect, but I mean, girl, it's something. So now I'm molding the sides so that it could join with that part. Girl, at this point I was stressed. So I got everything in together off camera, and honestly, if you have a pixie and you can catch up a ear in a wand, I applaud you again, girl, because I wanted to cry tears. I actually did start crying tears. I had to take a break. I took 2 days to do this style, and it still didn't come out how I wanted to, but honestly, I still think it turned out super cute. I'm just brushing in my edges right now, brushing in the sides, and I'm blow drying this on hot hair and then cool hair just so that it could stay. As you can see, I'm using the blow dryer to mold the sides in because it wasn't catching. Honestly, it was not laying flat. So I just did that, and I'm gonna take out the elastic. I used 2 things to catch up my hair. I catch up my hair with the elastic first, and then I used that black ribbon. Now I'm applying my extensions. So I'm not applying too much extensions at the top because I don't want it to be too much. Obviously, if this was my natural hair, I wouldn't have a lot of hair up there. So I want it to be similar to an actual, my own hair. So I applied 3 short extensions that were already cut into my hair, and this is what we got. As you can see, it is lean. Tell me why this lean. And you know what? I couldn't bother. So then I moved on to doing the bangs. The type of part I wanted is the one that was shown in the picture, that has that diagonal. Is it diagonal? That lean part, I'm gluing some tiny extensions in. I only used 2 extensions. One was single weft and one was double weft. So it was basically 2 extension glued together, and I glued that right there. Super neat. And then I blow dried it so that it could stay secure. Let's do that to the other side as well. So this is me admiring how full and beautiful it is. And then, you know, I'm just gonna brush it out just to make sure that it's all smooth. The extension, the front of the extension was bothering me, so I went ahead and cut it. Honestly, don't trust me with scissors. As you could see, I went shorter and then I curled it and I was in love. So cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and iron the back of my head. I'm sectioning it off just so I could have a clear view. And then I'm just going to take my time and, you know, press out everything and give it a slight bump. I didn't want it to be curly. Honestly, I was fighting myself to not do like loose waves because I absolutely love like me some body wave or some loose wave. But, you know, I ended up just bending the end. So for my hair, I did leave a little bit of my hair to cover the tracks. I just, you know, sprayed some oil sheen on that and then I pressed it out. Maybe it wasn't the best idea or the healthiest idea, but I did it anyway. Now I am flat ironing the top of my hair. The lighting is different and everything because this is a different day. This is like 2 days later. I'm telling you, it took me some time to do this style. I was in love at this point, honestly. I think it turned out really cute. Even though it wasn't exactly how I wanted it, I still think it did a good job. And I'm surprised that I actually catch my hair. To be honest, it's not the best. It pulled up very easy because of how sharp my hair is. But still, I think it turned out pretty cute. And if you have longer hair, of course, this will be super easy for you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Have yourself a good one. Bye.